Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bike lock alarm is probably one of the most important investments a cyclist can make to protect their beloved bicycle from theft, and with so many options available on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will not only review the top-rated bike locks with alarms but also provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to choose the perfect lock to safeguard your bike against theft. Number 5. Sigtuna Bike U-Lock. It's built with strong steel, offering reliable protection against theft. This ensures your bike stays safe and secure. It comes with a sturdy mounting bracket, making it easy to attach to your bike frame. This keeps it readily available when you need it. It's made from high-quality steel for long-lasting use. You can depend on it to withstand the elements and daily use. Locking and unlocking is quick and easy with its simple hand control. You'll be in and out in seconds. It offers a secure fit on various bikes and scooters. It's perfect for mountain bikes, e-bikes, and more. This lock provides reliable anti-theft protection for your valuable bike. Rest easy knowing your investment is secure. What we like. It boasts a robust design and a secure mounting bracket, ensuring your bike is well protected. If you prioritize security and need a lock that fits various bike types, this is the one for you. Its versatility makes it perfect for mountain bikes, e-bikes, and scooters. What people say. This lock set is extremely reliable and gives perfect coverage and ease of use. It's a short shackle which fit my need. Less room make it more difficult to try crack with brute force. The lock is heavy and sturdy, so it would need a lot of force or time to break. After having my e-bike stolen this summer, this bike lock is keeping my bike safe so far. I use in combination with a coil code bike lock. This lock prevents the bike from moving. So I lock the bike tire with this great U-lock. Very strong. Number 4. FoldyLock Classic 95 Bike Lock. This is the FoldyLock Classic 95, a patented folding bike lock designed for superior security and ease of use. It's the ultimate protection for your bicycle, no matter where you ride. It features ultra-strong, anti-tamper rivets and a robust guard system to withstand even the most determined theft attempts. This lock is built to last and keep your bike safe. Rest assured knowing it's bolt cutter and saw proof, providing peace of mind whether you're in the city or out on the trails. It's also waterproof and weatherproof for all conditions. Its flexible design folds compactly for easy portability, yet opens to a generous 37.4 inches. The included mounting bracket makes it simple to attach to your bike frame. The FoldyLock Classic 95 is designed to minimize noise and rattle while riding. Enjoy a smooth, quiet ride without compromising security. It's a stylish addition to your bike, offering a perfect blend of high-end security and sleek design. This is more than just a lock, it's a statement. With a Sold Secure Silver rating, this lock provides top-tier protection. It's the smart choice for securing your valuable bicycle. We stand behind our product. Enjoy 3 years of worry-free cycling, knowing your bike is protected by the FoldyLock Classic 95. What we like. This lock stands out with its patented design and ultra-strong anti-tamper features. If you're looking for a portable yet highly secure option for city riding, this is a great choice. Its foldable design makes it convenient to carry and use. What people say. Although a thick chain lock or U-lock might offer slightly higher security, this lock is probably the most secure folding lock currently available. It folds up neatly, and slides securely into the holder, which is easily mounted to the bike frame. It does not rattle, bounce, or make noise of any kind while riding. The mount is very stable. While no bike lock is entirely theft-proof, this one is designed to be very resistant to cutting and wedging nut splitter attacks. I feel that this is a reasonable deterrent to quick-hit thieves when you stop for short periods along a ride. It is commonly rated as the strongest folding lock. Number 3. Sigtuna Folding Bike Lock. It's built with heavy-duty steel and an anti-scratch coating, so it's tough enough to deter thieves and protect your bike from damage. Its foldable design makes it quick and easy to attach to your bike frame or any railing. You'll be locked up in seconds. The key lock mechanism ensures your bike is securely fastened when you're not around. Peace of mind, guaranteed. Made from durable plastic and steel, it's built to withstand the elements. Rain or shine, it's ready to protect your bike. Fold it up and take it with you. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and store, so it's always there when you need it. The thick 8mm steel shackle provides superior strength and resistance against cutting and sawing attempts. What we like. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to mount and store. If you value convenience and a compact lock that's still highly secure, this is a perfect option. It's ideal for quick locking and unlocking situations. What people say. Adds no weight to your bike and stays secure. Easy to install and is a great value for the lock. It's functional and easy to travel with low profile. This thing is way better than I thought it would be. It can screw into the bike using the cup holder screws. On my bike it works really well with this setup. It gives you the advantage of a chain while preventing a bike thief with a chain cutter from stealing the bike. It is very easy to deploy it. Number 2. Blackstone Anti-Theft Alarm U-Lock. This heavy-duty U-Lock is designed to keep your bike safe and secure. Its 14mm shackle and 130 dB alarm system provide maximum protection against theft. It features a thick, 14mm shackle and a long, 120 cm steel cable. Lock your frame, wheels, and even your helmet with ease. This is no ordinary lock, it's equipped with a 130 dB alarm that automatically activates when it senses tampering. It's loud enough to deter any thief. The quick-release system makes locking and unlocking your bike a breeze. You'll also receive 3 keys for added convenience. With its durable construction, loud alarm, and multiple keys, it provides unparalleled security and peace of mind. Plus, a key replacement code card is included, just in case. The package includes 1 alarm U-Lock, 1 CR2 lithium battery, 3 keys, and a sturdy 52-inch steel cable. Everything you need for superior bike security. What we like. This lock's incredibly loud alarm will deter thieves. If you're looking for maximum protection with a robust lock and a long cable for securing multiple parts of your bike, this is the best option. The loud alarm provides an extra layer of security. What people say. This thing is noticeably larger, heavier, and more secure than anything you'll see at Walmart. Strong enough looking that nobody has even tried to steal my bike. I've heard the alarm scream and nothing, including my gear strapped on, get touched. The siren is really loud, which is what I was looking for. Also, seems like a quality product. It's got an alarm and a 6-foot heavy-duty cable. Number 1. Abu's Bordo Alarm 6000. This innovative lock provides superior security for your bicycle. It's equipped with features designed to deter theft and protect your investment. It boasts a powerful 100 dB alarm that will sound if it's tampered with, alerting you and others nearby. This loud alarm is sure to scare off potential thieves. The 5mm steel bars are made of hardened steel, making it incredibly difficult to cut or break. This ensures your bike stays securely locked. It features a soft touch coating on the bars and a silicone body cover. This protects your bike's paint from scratches and damage. 2 keys are included for your convenience. This means you'll always have a spare, just in case. The Abu's Plus cylinder offers superior protection against picking. This advanced locking mechanism makes it extremely difficult for thieves to unlock. What we like. It combines a loud alarm with hardened steel bars for superior protection. If you want a secure folding lock that's also gentle on your bike's paint, this is the one. The soft coating prevents scratches while the alarm deters theft. What people say. I have the 90, but it also comes in a 120 length, which is heavier but allows locking to larger items. I use this lock in conjunction with an Abu's U-Lock. I generally U-Lock the e-bike frame to the rack and then thread this alarmed lock through a tire and frame. It's perfect, will give a loud warning chirp if the bike is touched or bumped. The alarm, if disturbed, is piercing and loud. A very sound lock, and it stows away very secure into the mounting bracket, supplied with the lock. I've been going to MTB events on which you camp in the site. It's already hard enough to get good sleep when camping, to additionally add the concern of leaving your bicycle out overnight. This lock provided the peace of mind I needed to get a great night's sleep. Even when I have to enter a store or gas station, I can just rely that this would deter any potential curious people from moving my bicycle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.